Please don't scroll. I'm just trying to become a big content creator one day, but I have no supporters. So if you have the chance, please subscribe.
In the back of my mind, you died, and I didn't even cry. No, not a single tear, and I'm sick of waiting.
You want my sauce? Take, please.